Goswāmī. You have mastered the scriptures and shared them with all. Please accept this seat. Being the eldest learned Vedantist, O Sūta Goswāmī.
And because you are submissive, your spiritual masters have endowed you with all their favors. Therefore, you can tell us all you have learned from them.
Please therefore found, being blessed with many years.
Explain to us what you know to be the ultimate good for all people.
O learned one, in this iron age of Kali,
They are quarrelsome, lazy, misguided, unlucky, and always disturbed.
O sage, please share the essence of countless scriptures.
You know why the Supreme Lord appeared in Devaki's womb? Enlighten us, O Sūta, about the Supreme Lord and his incarnations that uplifts the soul.